Okay, so I'm going to show you an issue I've been having with my 2016 F150. It only starts when it's cold outside, but it's still a pretty big problem. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, what winds up happening is the doors will not close. You have to physically push them in and lock the door. And once you do that, once you're on the inside, you can't get out. You have to crawl out to the other side of the vehicle where that door is hopefully not frozen. So just thought I'd see if anybody else is having this problem. So once you're all set and you're inside the vehicle and you finally got the door closed, like I was saying, you can't get out from that same door. You have to crawl over to the other side. And what winds up happening is now from the outside of the vehicle, the door won't even function. You have to wait till it warms up after driving to get in. I'll show you what that looks like. As you can see, I'm going to unlock the door. Unlock, unlock, unlock several times. So you can see, there's no using that door until the vehicle warms up and will decide to let you out. So yeah, it's a problem I've been having. Thought I'd fill you in on it. Thanks for watching.